Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect your Oculus Quest 2 to your PC. First, install the required software on your computer. On your Windows PC, download and install the MetaQuest Link app. Next, connect your headset to your PC using a high-quality USB 3.0 cable. You can use a USB-C to USB-C cable or a USB-A to USB-C cable. Plug one end into your PC and the other end into your Oculus Quest 2 headset. Make sure the cable is firmly connected on both sides. Now go back to the MetaQuest app on your PC. In the app, click on Devices. Then select Add Headset. Choose Quest 2 from the list and follow the setup instructions shown on your screen. The app will guide you through the remaining steps. After that, put on your headset. You should see a prompt asking you to enable QuestLink. Select Enable. If you do not see this message, open Quick Settings inside the headset by clicking on the clock. Then select QuestLink and choose Launch. Once it loads, you will enter the PC VR environment. From there, you can start your VR games and applications directly from your computer. Thanks for watching.